Hello students, welcome in your computer class, and you are learning about the applications of computers, means the areas where computers are used nowadays. In the last video we have discussed about computer aided manufacturing, computer aided designing and medicine. Once again we are going to discuss about the application areas in the field of medicine and weather research and meteorology. In medicine, nowadays computers are being used for diagnosis of various disease and for maintaining patients database. Everyone know how computers are used for diagnosis of various disease and for maintenance of patients database in the hospitals. Medical equipment such as CAT scan, magnetic resonance imaging, MRI scan, gamma radiation therapy machine, etc. are fully computer controlled. These all machines are fully computer controlled. Computers are also used in operation theaters for better analysis during complicated surgeries. Using the internet medical transcriptions facility, we can consult specialized doctors across the world and get benefited from their expertise. Medical research today is totally computer dependent. So you can see how computers are used in the hospitals in the field of medicine and how it helps to our doctors for diagnosis of any patient and for maintaining of database into the hospitals. Now, in the field of weather research and meteorology, in olden days many in olden days man had no way of knowing how the weather would change from day to day, but today supercomputers keep analyzing data collected by satellites and after performing billions of calculations, these computers are able to forecast the weather. With the help of computers, meteorologists can analyze as to how the different parts of earth are going to be affected in the coming centuries. Geologists use computers to help them know the probability of finding minerals or oils in an area. Means supercomputers help us to know weather condition in coming days, and in the same way computers helps our scientists meteorologists for exploring the earth. They also know the earth condition and how and where they are finding minerals or oils in an area. Well students, now next topic is education, computers in education. With the advent of multimedia computers and related technologies, computer aided learning CL and computer based teaching CBT have become common. आजकल मल्टीमीडिया कंप्यूटर के हेल्प से, टेक्नोलॉजी के हेल्प से कंप्यूटर एडेड लर्निंग यानी कंप्यूटर के द्वारा आपको सिखाया जाता है। कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टीचिंग, कंप्यूटर के द्वारा पढ़ाया जाता है। अभी हम लोग जो टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ कर रहे हैं ये भी कंप्यूटर एडेड लर्निंग ही है और कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टीचिंग ही है। जो हम डिवाइसेस आज यूज़ कर रहे हैं ये या तो डेस्कटॉप्स हैं, टैबलेट्स हैं या फिर स्मार्टफोन्स हैं। सो दीज आर ऑल्सो computers, and this technology help us to help educating students, so you can better understand computers in the field of education. Difficult and abstract topics are explained using the animation, graphics, sound and text elements that greatly enhances the understanding of the learner. मल्टीमीडिया का यूज़ करके हम जो प्रेजेंटेशंस बनाते हैं, एनिमेशंस बनाते हैं जिसमें ग्राफिक्स, साउंड्स, टेक्स्ट और दूसरे एलिमेंट्स का यूज़ करके हम लर्नर्स को बहुत ही अच्छे तरह से किसी टॉपिक को समझा पाते हैं। एजुकेशनल CD-ROMs on various subjects are available that provide interactive lessons to students. Use of computers and internet technologies has also supported the distance education system, providing it to be a boon. कंप्यूटर में जो एजुकेशनल सीडीज़ होती हैं, जो डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स के सीडीज़ अवेलेबल होते हैं जिसमें कंप्यूटर और इंटरनेट टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ करके डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन को प्रोवाइड किया जाता है, दैट इज़ रियली प्रोवाइडिंग इट टू बी अ बून. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज़ कंप्यूटर्स इन scientific research. Computers have been the most invaluable tool for research in the field of physics, chemistry, life science and medicine. Research in the field of outer space at NASA, ARENA and ISRO are all possible only due to computers. So computers का यूज़ साइंटिफिक एंड रिसर्च एरिया में बहुत ज़्यादा है। बिना कंप्यूटर के हेल्प से ये सारा वर्क पॉसिबल नहीं है। कम्युनिकेशन विद द कंटिन्यूस एडवांसमेंट इन इंटरनेट टेक्नोलॉजी एंड वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन, पीपल आर able to communicate and interact with others across the globe. With the help of email, chatting, video conferencing and teleconferencing, instant communication is possible with any person in any part of the world. So communication is the one of the most important feature that is helpful for communicating peoples across the world, and in this field computers are playing a great role for making and establishing communication. Okay, thank you students. Now I will create next video